Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a really long time since I uploaded, but I wanted to upload this video because I picked up one of the Jaclyn Hill palettes. The new collection, the Vault collection, she just came out with. I only got one just to try them out. And I got, do these have names? The packaging is really super nice. The colors are super nice. I already tried out this one. It's very pigmented. This one's my favorite, and also this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this palette in the video. And I also picked up one of the Zulu by Juvia's, which looks like this. And this is what the inside looks like. Very nice colors to play with. Very nice. And stay tuned to the end because I will be having a giveaway. A Jaclyn Hill palette giveaway. I will announce the rules at the end of the video, so go ahead and stay tuned. And enough of that, let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because they do take a while to do. I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the color Light Sand. So let me do that really quick. That looks a little crazy. And we're just gonna be blending it out. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M335. Now let me do the other eye off camera. Okay, so I put my hair back and my bangs back because they were really starting to bother me. So now we got that out of the way. I'm gonna be going into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not exactly too sure what I want to do yet, what kind of look I want to do yet, but we're just gonna roll with that. I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe E23 brush. Starting with Mugshot. Much better. And we're just gonna add that to the outer corners of our eyes. So far, the formula is really pigmented. It picks up a lot of product, which is really good. For me, I personally like it. Next, I'm gonna be going in same palette, but instead I'm gonna be using Alert. It's an orange, burnt orange color. I'm just gonna add it to the outer corners of my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, I'm going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I plan to go on with this bright yellow shade right here. I'm gonna try to blend that all over our eyelid. So I can have a little bit of pop of color. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brown. Just to darken up the edges. we're gonna grab a blending brush and blend it out. Just so all the colors can come together. And for my eyelid, I'm gonna be going in with On Camera from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be wetting my brush with a little bit of primer water. And this makes the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. We're gonna grab a blending brush and just blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm gonna go in with liquid eyeliner. Hold on. I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Master Precise. Simple eyeliner. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera because it does take me a while. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna exfoliate my lips a little bit. I'm gonna be using the Bliss Fabu Lips Sugar Lip Scrub and Polish. This is a cute little brand that Target carries. It's a new brand called Bliss. Their products are really amazing. I would know because I work there. And it smells like candy. It smells really good. Okay. I'm just gonna put my finger in there and just scrub. Next, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face. I'm be using the Olay Active Hydrating Hydration Active. Weird name. Original cream. Okay, looks like this. Just gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna be going in with foundation. I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm gonna color light beige. I'm running out of that one, so I'm gonna be going in with the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1, and I'm gonna color light beige. Oh my god, is that the same color? Oh shoot, it is. Light beige. And we're just gonna blend. Cue music. Next, I'm gonna be going in with some concealer. I'm gonna be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer is extremely full coverage. And we're gonna blend it out. Next, I'm gonna be baking under my eyes with the Airspun loose face powder. Let me show you guys. And we're just gonna be baking under the eyes. Next, I'm gonna be bronzing up my face with the Morphe bronzer palette in the color Vlogger. Then we're gonna be baking under our contour with the same powder we used earlier, the Airspun face loose powder. I don't use blush, but you guys can if you guys wish. I'm gonna be going with the highlight. I'm gonna be going with the Kathleen Lights highlighter palette. Be going with the pink shade right in the middle. And just apply it to your cheekbones. And tip of our nose. And we're just gonna blend everything out with the beauty sponge, so everything can melt together. While we bake under our contour, I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the baking powder under our contour. I already did my lashes off camera. You can apply falsies if you guys would like. I also did my under lash line. Next, we're gonna be doing the lips. I'm gonna be outlining my lips with the Essence lip liner. My camera died. I'm gonna be going in with the Bite Beauty in the color Glaze. Don't you just hate when your camera dies? Lastly, we're gonna go with the setting spray and be going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Just gonna set her face. So that completes this look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. My overall thoughts, I love it. I plan to get the rest of them, even though I have many colors the same. I'm still gonna get it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun creating it. I love making videos. I just don't find myself having the time to sit down and record. Even though I want to, I just don't have time. But I plan to go back into the YouTube, making the whole videos. At least try to make one video a week. That's my goal. Anyways, if you guys would like to win a Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the fall collection, go ahead and comment down below which one you guys want. I'll go ahead and choose it out for you. There will only be one winner. The giveaway will end August 31st. That's exactly 2 weeks from today. So yes, must be subscribed, like this video, comment down which one's your favorite, and follow my Instagram. I'll link it down below. Good luck, guys. Bye, guys.